Welcome to Nashville's historic gem, Marathon Village. This iconic landmark is revving up tales from the past, but pulsing with the spirit of the city. Marathon Village has a creative community here of unique retail, businesses, and entertainment options. One that you're absolutely sure to recognize is History Channel's American Picker's very own Mike Wolf has his shop right here, Antique Archaeology. There's so many other amazing options. I want to take you along. Let's go. Long before all of this, back in the early 1900s, this was the South's pioneering automobile factory. Marathon Motor Works started in 1907 and was the first to completely manufacture a vehicle from start to finish in the southern United States. Here at Marathon, the years rolled on and the rumble of the engines faded, but Nashville was not ready to let this legend rust away. From derelict to dynamic, Marathon lived on. The current owner, Barry Walker, purchased the building in 1986 with the dream of revitalizing and repurposing this incredible building. Now a hub of eateries, eclectic shops, and an event venue that breathes life into every occasion. One reason why I wanted to bring you here today was to attend an event for a nonprofit organization very near and dear to us at Cord Real Estate, Rally Foundation. The work they are doing is powerful and life-changing in the lives of families battling childhood cancer. Tonight, this venue echoes the giving spirit that Nashville has with Rally and the Round, an event born from the city's love of music and philanthropic heart. Every note played here tonight benefits the Rally Foundation. They're working tirelessly to find cures for childhood cancer. Here with my dear friend Elaine Kay, director of Rally Tennessee. I want you to tell everybody a little bit about Rally.
So Rally began in 2005 by Dean Crow, and there was a boy on her baseball team who was diagnosed with brain cancer, and she came to visit him in the hospital, and she asked, "What can I do to help?"
Right.
And his mother said, "Raise money for childhood cancer research." So she went home and she found out that while it is the leading disease cause of death of children in America, it is severely underfunded. She started with a mission to empower volunteers from across the country to raise awareness and funds so that we could have better treatments, fewer side effects, and ultimately cures. And one of the things I like best about Rally is that for every dollar donated, 93 cents goes to our mission.
That's incredible. What makes you smile most about being involved with Rally?
By far, just getting to know the Rally kids. They just are so precious. I love getting to know them, their families, helping them in lots of different ways. Oh my goodness, their talents. And watching them meet other children and having fun and just developing their confidence, that's really been fun. So many times I meet a new Rally kid and it turns out that they get to survive because of Rally-funded research.
How could you not smile? That's absolutely incredible and wonderful to hear.
Yeah.
Well, if somebody wants to get involved, how can they get involved with the organization?
Absolutely. Well, if they're a parent of a child with cancer, please call us. I mean, we love to help families with cancer. We love to help the kids. We also give financial assistance, counseling, and some things like that to help the families going through these tough times. Now, if they want to volunteer or donate or sponsor one of our events, they can reach us. You can look online at rallyfoundation.org.
Okay, awesome.
Bring them on.
And be sure to attend one of these wonderful events. Music, unity, and a city with a heart that beats for giving. That's the magic of Nashville. And here tonight at Marathon Village, we experience it all. Thanks for joining me. I'm Ashley Luther, your host of Selling Nashville.